Okay guys, for the sorrel drink, you're gonna need ginger, orange peel. I put star anise because I like the flavor. Allspice, of course. Cinnamon sticks. Some cloves. Alright? And you could flavor your pot anyhow you want, guys. It's your prerogative, alright? At the end of the day, is how you like your stuff to taste. So just go with what you like. But I would love for you to try my recipe and see how much you like it. Okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Yard and Foreign Cooking TV, hosted by me, Charlotte Rose, of course. So guys, you don't know, I'm over here I cook up the yard food of foreign food. But on this video guys, it's Christmas Day. I'll be cooking up some Christmas dinner. But on this video, I'll be doing some sorrel. You don't know the Jamaican Christmas drink sorrel. We can't do without that, so stay with me for that guys. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Please stay tuned, watch the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So thank you guys, and until the next video, Merry Christmas. Okay guys, so like I said, in this video I'll be making my sorrel. Just like I set up my pot, make sure the pot clean, catch up my water. And guys, you want to put extra water because by the time you boil and reduce all of these things, no water now go left in there if you put too little bit of water. So this is my water already boiling up. So I'm gonna just add in all my little herbs and spices. So in this pot guys, I have some pimento seed, orange peel, ginger, and some clove. But careful guys how you put the clove along with the pimento seed, because those two spices guys are very strong. So just try hold back, not put too much. So this is like about a dozen clove stems, and the same for the pimento seed. Remember them carry a banging little flavor, you know, so you don't want to overdo the thing. All right, also I have some cinnamon sticks, and I lost the clip for that guys, but yes, there's some cinnamon sticks and star anise. So I just kind of balance out the flavor and all of this with my little twist on it, you know what I say? So as you can see guys, the water kind of changed color, and that's because all of the different little spices and herbs that in it. So don't worry about it not being the right color or anything like that. All right, so I'm gonna make this boil up, you see what I say, and infuse all the flavors into the water before I had my sorrel pulps and stuff like that. Some people do it different guys. Some people boil it with the sorrel pulp in it from the jump, or some people just steep it and have it sit there for like 24 hours or so and let it, you know, not while it's on the stove. But I love to do it this way. I love to boil it and let the flavors come out into the water before I move along and had my sorrel and stuff like that. But whatever way you do it guys, it's your way. As long as the process leads to it tasting good, do your thing. All right, I didn't even ask you guys how you doing. It's Christmas morning. Merry Christmas everybody. Hope your day is going fine, and you know, eat up the food and thing. So guys, these are the dried sorrel. Dry. Right, so I'm gonna go wash these off and load it up in the pot. Okay, so I added my sorrel pulp, and like I said, mine were dry, so I have to have it sit here and steep. So the stove is off, I'm not boiling it. All right, I'm gonna let it steep and come back. so I'm just gonna pour this out in my bucket here. And be careful, guys, when doing this part of it. You don't want to burn yourself or anyone else around you. See that? I nearly burn up myself. I'm just gonna cover this up, guys, and leave it and let it steep. Maybe for about 2 hours or so, or whenever it cool down, guys. So when it cool down, you can sweeten it up and all of these things. Put in your wine and your rum. So this bad boy is all cool down, guys. I'm just gonna grab my bottles. Make sure your bottles are clean. I'm gonna reuse the Red Label bottles plus some other bottles that I have. Okay, guys, so this is my sorrel, and I haven't sweetened or anything like that yet, but here I have a little bit of Red Label wine left over from baking. I have some overproof rum also left over from baking, and I'm using some light brown sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna just sweeten this up. I'm not gonna put any of this in yet because I want to pour some out for the kids before I do all of that. So let me go ahead and put some sugar. Guys, you could use white sugar, which is granulated sugar, if you want to. It's a personal choice. You don't necessarily have to use brown sugar. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna sweeten this up. And guys, you could store this in your refrigerator if there is no rum or wine in it. But if there is rum or wine in it, you could leave it out. You know what I'm saying? Those act as a preservative. But either way, you could do that. And try to get this nice and cool in the refrigerator, because what happens if you have to put ice on this, it will water it down and you won't get the full taste of the sorrel flavor. You'll get watered down sorrel. So if you can do this maybe all 24 hours before you're ready to drink it, and get it nice and cool in your refrigerator. All right, so I'm just gonna take a quick taste to see what's going on over here. And my hands are clean, guys. And I taste all the flavors, the ginger, the clove, the cinnamon. It just needs some more sugar. Guys, I like my stuff sweet. Not sweet like it gonna scratch your throat sweet, but I cannot drink something if it tastes like water. If I'm drinking water, I'm drinking water. If I'm drinking some Kool-Aid, it have to taste like Kool-Aid. So if I'm drinking sorrel malt, it tastes like sorrel, not sorrel water. So I'm gonna put the sugar in there for bring out the taste. And my grandmother used to even tip a little bit of salt in here too, and you could do that, which I'm gonna do. Just a little tip, not too much. So I'm gonna take a taste again. And that is good. Sugar level is good. I'm just gonna go get a pinch of salt. And when I say a pinch, I mean a pinch, not no whole heap of nothing. See that? That. And what that does, guys, it helps to balance out the sugar. So if you feel like you have to put some more sugar, then you don't need it because you already balance it out with the salt. I know that's kind of strange to be putting salt into something like juice or whatever, but it does help the flavor, guys. It's perfect. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna pour out the portion for the kids, and I'm gonna put it in this bottle here. It has a little spout so they could, you know, drink from that. So I have 2 of these bottles, so I'm gonna do one for the kids and one without the wine, with the wine and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go find my little funnel. So guys, I found my funnel. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. And guys, it might seem like I was putting a lot of sugar, but this needs sugar. Don't skimp on the sugar, okay? Unless you're a person that really don't like sweet or stuff like that, then, you know. But So that's it for the kiddies. Close this up, put it in the freezer. And guys, I am late with Christmas dinner. Guys, I am late with Christmas dinner because I was so tired last night. Come on, thing, stop giving much trouble. Yeah, I went to bed like 5 a.m. for the second night in a row. So I got up this morning around 10 o'clock. So breakfast started late, dinner started late, and still in the kitchen at almost 7:30. Okay, but we're Jamaican, we're used to all of that. Sometime at 8 o'clock we just say eat dinner. So no biggie, alright? So I'm gonna put this in the freezer and come set up our one. Okay? Our one, the big people things. Okay guys, so I put the kids on in the freezer for cool up. So our one now. Big people time. Alright, so I don't know me and the rum thing already, right? I kinda do it overboard with the cake this time around, and let me tell you, I felt it. So this is a tablespoon. So I'm just gonna nicely put only 2. Alright? Only 2, honey. Only 2. And I think this is already about a cup of red label wine, and this is a half cup. So I should be nice and accurate with this. So it's even less than a cup. So that's perfect. Can't be too greedy upon the red label. Alright? So that's it for the big people. So we're gonna mix up this and take a little whiff. See what's going on with it after you put the rum and these things. So clean hands again. We could have used a little more of the rum when I tasted it a while ago. But you know these things can be creepers, right? So alright, me think that should be enough. Yeah, I definitely taste it. So alright guys, I'm gonna go bottle this up and come right back. Alright, I still have the carrot juice to deal with, you know, already over there. I blend up and everything. All I have to do is strain it and sweeten up, and that's it for dinner. Everything else is done. But let me go fill this up. So this is it for big people thing, and I still have some more. I have the empty red label bottle here that I'm gonna fill up because I'm gonna give some to my co-worker. Look how this up my stain the towel, guys. Look like the thing up on it. Look how it's staying it. Nice and rich, done. I have another bottle, but I'm gonna do that off camera. Me not liquor rush, alright? So this is it, guys. I got 2 bottles of this size. Let me take it down a little bit. So guys, this is the portion that I got. So this is the adult portion. As you can see, it's a little above here. And this is for the kids. I have a label I'm gonna put on here so they know it's not for, that one is for them. And I get 2 red label size bottle, the big bottle out of it. So this is a good portion of SORREL, right? Can give a bottle, drink, drink, right? All right, so guys, mega run. All right. So this is it, guys. I'm done with my sorrel. It's looking nice and refreshing. I literally just poured out the last of my sorrel. Yes, hope you enjoyed this video. Please guys, go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And hope you guys are inspired to go try this recipe. Alright, it tastes good, guys. It's refreshing and nice. So please go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and definitely hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. So until the next video, guys, bye.